Kulesa learned that a man named Leroy McGill had been staying at the duplex with his girlfriend. The housemates accused the pair of stealing a shotgun from them. Enraged by the accusation, Kulesa says McGill returned early in the morning on July 13th, 2002, and set Perez and Banta on fire.
Leroy McGill showed up outside the apartment with a can of gas, and he had cut up some styrofoam and put it inside the gas. And what that does is the gas dissolves the styrofoam basically, and it turns it into like a gel, like a gel-like substance. And what that does is it makes the subsequent fire, burn hotter and harder to put out. He then threw the gasoline on Charles Perez and Nova Banta and lit him on fire.
Perez would pass away at the hospital, and Nova Banta would survive with burn injuries to 75% of her body. 2 years after his arrest on first-degree murder, McGill was convicted. Court records say the jury deliberation lasted less than an hour. At the penalty phase, the jury then sentenced him to death.
Do you believe that what Leroy McGill did that morning is worth a death sentence?
I'm of the belief that my opinion doesn't matter on it. I believe in a case like this, to me, the only people that opinions matter are Charles Perez's family, Nova Banta and her family, and Leroy McGill's family. I mean, even though he did what he did, his family is losing one of their family members. So that's the opinions that should be listened to.
After exhausting every appeal, the Arizona Supreme Court granted a motion for a warrant of execution for McGill back in March of this year. Kulesa believes people on death row should be afforded each of those appeals, but on May 20th at 10 a.m., when Leroy McGill is placed on a gurney and is put to death, the victims will be the only people in Kulesa's mind.
Leroy McGill has the ability to talk for himself right now. Charles Perez doesn't.